Hey, welcome back everyone. As many of you who follow the channel know, we are building a new 2,100 square foot all cement block single story home. A journey that really began in October of 2022. Well, this is July 2nd, 2023, day 200 of our home building process. The home should be completed, inspected, and ready for occupancy in about 2 weeks. Let's jump right into this content. It's a southern home with sometimes scorching hot summer temperatures, so drought-resistant trees, plants, and shrubs with plenty of irrigation are highly recommended. Please check out this important disclaimer regarding the following kitchen appliances. Now back inside the home, in the kitchen, new GE appliances were installed this week by the home builder. First up is a 1.7 cubic foot microwave, which has plenty of capacity and some helpful features. One of those features is sensor cooking. Sensors actually inside the unit monitor the moisture levels of the food being cooked to determine the cooking time and the proper power level. Next up in the kitchen is a GE 5 cubic foot natural gas stove, which provides some interesting features as well, including an air fry option and a steam clean feature. Finally, rounding out the kitchen appliances, we're adding a new LG InstaView refrigerator to be delivered in about 10 days. Of course, we'll be back at a later date with more detailed performance reviews of these kitchen appliances. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. Finally, if you found this content informative or helpful, please consider commenting and subscribing to the channel. Thanks, everyone.